Today's secret ingredient is eggnog bread. I've always wanted to make this holiday treat. You're going to need flour, sugar, eggnog, baking powder, salt, vanilla, rum flavoring, butter, eggs, and nutmeg. To start with, you'll want to melt your stick or half a cup of butter. Add 2 eggs to a mixing bowl. Add your 1 cup of sugar and mix well. You can use a hand mixer like I'm doing, or you certainly could do this with a spoon. Mix those really well together. Go ahead and add the half a cup melted butter. Mix more to combine. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 teaspoons rum flavoring, and your dry ingredients, 2 1/4 cup flour with 2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix a bit, add to the other ingredients, and continue to mix just until combined. Then you'll add 1 cup of eggnog. This says Southern Comfort eggnog, but there is no alcohol to it, so any type of eggnog you'd like to buy is great. You could make homemade eggnog here as well. Oops, almost forgot the nutmeg. Stir that in and add the batter to 1 greased loaf pan. Place in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Mine took right about 45 minutes. Perfect. Let that cool on the counter. Remove from the pan. It's a beautiful golden color. Fantastic looking. Slice up and enjoy. I found this to be delicious with a little butter. It'd be great with coffee or a cup of tea. It's a super holiday treat. Give it a try.